The wait is finally over for some Samsung users. Owners of the Galaxy S24 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 have started receiving the Stable One UI 8 update. This new software is based on Android 16, and while the rollout has just begun, it shows Samsung is moving quickly to bring the latest version to millions of people. Samsung already launched the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and the Galaxy S25 FE with One UI 8 pre-installed. That was the first sign that the company was serious about its updates schedule this year. Now, older models are beginning to catch up, with the S24 lineup and the 2024 foldable phones first in line. But before you grab your phone and check for the update, there's something important to know. Right now, the rollout is only happening in South Korea. Samsung often starts updates in its home country before releasing them to the rest of the world. For now, the update is confirmed for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, but only for people who join Samsung's beta testing program. Since these users already had most of the new features, the update file is small, just around 600 megabytes. For everyone else, the update will be much larger, about 4 gigabytes. This version will include all the new features, performance upgrades, design changes, and security patches. The Galaxy S24 series is also part of the rollout. All three models, the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, are receiving the full One UI 8 update in Korea right now. This update is also about 4 gigabytes in size. For users outside of Korea, the same update will be coming soon for both the S24 series and the foldables. Looking at Samsung's recent history, there's a good chance the rollout will expand quickly. For the Galaxy S25 family, Samsung pushed updates to Asia, Europe, and even the US just days after the initial release in Korea. If the same pattern continues, Galaxy S24, Fold 6, and Flip 6 owners worldwide could see the update by the end of this week. That means you should keep checking your phone around September 25th. Of course, the exact timing will depend on your country, your mobile carrier, and whether Samsung runs into any technical problems. But if all goes well, S24 and foldable users across the globe could soon say goodbye to One UI 7 and Android 15, and it's not just flagship models getting the update. Reports suggest that the mid-range Galaxy A56 5G and Galaxy A36 5G could also start receiving One UI 8 as early as September 25th, at least in South Korea first. This is unusually fast for mid-range phones and shows that Samsung is paying more attention to its wider audience this time. After that, the rollout is expected to reach more devices. The Galaxy S23 series, last year's foldables, the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, and more mid-range phones like the Galaxy A55, A35, A26, A17, and A17 5G are rumored to get their updates starting October 2nd. That date is not too far away, but it's always better to wait for official confirmation before getting too excited. So, what does this mean for Samsung in the software update race? Honestly, it puts them at the top. If we don't count Apple and Google, no other Android brand comes close. While other companies like Sony and Motorola are just beginning to roll out Android 16 to a few devices, Samsung is preparing to deliver its custom version of Android 16 to millions of users across different regions and device categories. It's a bold step and seems aimed at fixing Samsung's reputation after the problems with One UI 7. That update had delays, bugs, and left many users frustrated. With One UI 8, Samsung looks determined to show that it can handle updates faster and more smoothly. If everything goes as planned, Samsung will prove once again that it is the leader in Android updates. Millions of Galaxy users worldwide may soon enjoy Android 16 with One UI 8, and this time, the company seems ready to deliver without the mistakes of the past.